Bicol College, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Oliver M. Obal, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Eva Endidea, Corps XO, Cadet Major Cristil P. Ogayon, Corps G1, Cadet Major John Lloyd G. Llames, Corps G2, Cadet Major Bernard Tuelia, Corps G3, Cadet First Lieutenant Jero V. King, Corps G4, Major Leader Chini May Hakob, Band Leader T.S. Hans Canale, Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Aaron Cedric N. Bodonia, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Bien Lawrence Abuhela, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Eric Jan O. Copla, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Joy Ann Bite, CAT Facilitator, Regional Captain Christopher D. Salandel, Bandit Coordinator, Lynel Dasar, and Bandmaster Trainer, Lynel Dasar. Entry number 59, Bicol College from Sangpon, Daraga, Albay. Thank you. Entry number 59 from Bicol College, Sangpon, Daraga, Albay.